Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create idea list Amazon. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As to look to the mirror of your screen right there, you're gonna find the Amazon deal and Amazon Prime trial, and that's the link right there. And you can find it in the video description. I highly recommend this subscription because it can save a lot of money and you can cancel anytime. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to create idea list Amazon. First, we'll start by opening up your Amazon. So once you open up Amazon, you're gonna arrive on this home screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where you're gonna see like the three line. Bottom right hand corner, you're gonna be down here. So first we're here on this main screen right here, then we went all in the bottom right hand corner on the three lines. And once you arrive on this home screen right here, look toward the middle of your screen where you're gonna see your account. Make sure that you tap on your account right there. Tap your account, then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Just scroll down until you find like personalized content. Until you arrive here, personalized content, and make sure that you tap in your profile. Let me go back again. So just tap in your profile right there. Make sure that you tap your profile. Then you're gonna arrive here. Just scroll down a little bit until you say like there's a hashtag right there. They say like find it on Amazon. But look all the way down where there's like create like a shoppable photo and create like an idea list. So make sure that you tap here where they say like create an idea list. Then you can just name something. Let me see. Give a name. I'm gonna just camera needs. So say something. Maybe I need a let me see. I don't need that. Needs two cameras. Yeah. So for you can put like anything that you ideal, like maybe you can create like your own list for like maybe house need or camera needs, then you can post it. So like for camera, I just said like I need two camera, but you can put more stuff there. For example, for house like necessary, you can just put like house need, you need a TV, you need all those. But for me, I just want to make it simple and easy. And once you create your list, just make sure that you tap here where it says post. So once you create a list, just tap on post. Let me see. Right there. Tap there. So let me see. Camera need two cameras. So and that's how you create idea list Amazon. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. And thank you for watching.